What if you could have an AI tool that listens to everything for you and turns it into clean notes automatically? But the real question is, does it actually understand what you're saying? That's exactly what Notta AI promises. An AI-powered transcription and note-taking tool designed to record meetings, lectures, interviews, or even random voice notes and instantly convert them into text. The idea sounds great, especially if you're someone who attends a lot of meetings, studies online, or creates content and needs quick transcripts without typing everything manually. Notta AI claims to support multiple languages, live transcription, and automatic summaries, which could potentially save a lot of time for busy users. One thing people seem to like is how simple the interface is, since you can start recording pretty quickly without dealing with complicated settings. And the fact that it can sync recordings across devices is also useful for people working on different platforms. But at the same time, not everything about the tool is perfect. Some users mention that while the transcription can be accurate in quiet environments, it may struggle when there's background noise, strong accents, or multiple speakers talking over each other. Another point people often bring up is the limitation of the free plan, which gives you a chance to try the service but also puts restrictions on how much you can transcribe before needing to upgrade. That means it can be helpful for occasional use, but heavy users might quickly run into those limits. Pricing is another factor to think about because while the paid plan unlocks more transcription time and additional features, some users feel there are competing AI transcription tools that offer similar capabilities. Overall, Notta AI seems like one of those tools that could be genuinely useful in the right situation, especially if you need quick transcripts and basic AI assistance. But it might not completely replace manual note-taking depending on your expectations and how complex your recordings are.